Sport has the power to change the world. It has the power to inspire. It has the power to unite people in a way that little us. Does it speak to youth in a language they understand? Sport can create hope. Where once there was only two spoke, it is more powerful than government in breaking down racial barriers. It loves in the face of all types of discrimination. The heroes are standing with me, are examples of this power. They are valiant not only in the playing field, but also in the community, both local and international. They are champions, and they deserve the world's our recognition together. They represent an active, vigorous hall of fame, a hall of film that goes out into the world, spreading her inspiration, and hope their legacy will be an international community where the rules of the game are the same for everyone and behavior is guided by fair play and good sport. And its potential, I ask you now to rise and join me in commending the order of the original inductees into the world sports. Academy Hall of Fame peace is the greatest weapon mankind has to resolve in even the most tactical, controllable difficulties. But to be an effective agent for peace, you have to seek, and not only to change the community in the world. What is more difficult is to change yourself before you seek to change others. And it is absolutely essential for the leaders of the community and the world to create an atmosphere where those good men and women can show their maximum abilities in trying to resolve problems in a peaceful manner. And that is why a legend like Panic and all these behind me are heroes, our hope. Because whatever they do in their respective fields, they are promoting peace. These are models. They are queens and kings, not as a result of heredity, but as a result of the personal commitment and offers. It is one of the most enjoyable moments for me to be able as a pensioner to take part in a function of this nature.